Good morning, children. So in this video, we'll be doing the last part of our chapter Fundamental Concept of Algebra. So in this video, we'll be learning what are polynomials, what is the degree of a polynomial, and what is the value of an algebraic expression. Okay, so we'll be doing these three topics today. With this, we'll be done with this chapter, and in the next chapter, we'll learn to do various operations on algebra. Okay. So first let us understand what is a polynomial. So we already know what is an algebraic expression. It is a combination of variable, number and a basic operation. Okay. But polynomial, it is an algebraic expression, but preferably in polynomial we should have the power of a variable as a positive whole number. Okay. So power of variable, it should always be a positive whole number. Okay, so we all know that polynomials are a combination of variable, number and a basic operation. So we should have the power of variable as a positive whole number in a polynomial. Okay, so let us take one example. Suppose I have m as a variable, so it's m cube plus 2m minus 3. Then this is a polynomial in one variable because the variable involved here is just one, that is m. Okay, so this is a polynomial in one variable because the power of this variable is a positive whole number, which is 3. The power of this variable is 1, which is a positive number again, and it can even have a constant term. So this is a polynomial in one variable. Suppose I have x 2 by 3 minus 2x. So is this a polynomial? So to check this, we need to look for the power of the variable. So if you look at the power of the variable, it is a positive number, of course, but it is not a whole number. It is in a fraction. So this is not a polynomial. Okay. Now what about the polynomial in more than one variable? So any polynomial which involves more than one variable. Suppose I have x squared plus xyz minus 3. Then this is a polynomial in how many variables? The variables involved are x, y and z. So there are 3 variables involved. So this is a polynomial in 3 variables. Okay. So this is all about what is a polynomial. Now we will learn what is a degree of a polynomial. Okay. So a degree is the highest power of the variable. So children, we will be learning only polynomial in one variable. Okay. Sorry, we will learn polynomial in more than one variable. So let us learn about a degree. So degree is nothing but it is the highest power of the variable. So this definition is very much clear. It is the highest power of the variable. Highest means the biggest. Okay. Suppose I have m squared plus 3m plus 2. So if you see, this term do not have a variable. This term has a variable, its power is 1. This term has a variable m and its power is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Okay, so this is what is the degree of a polynomial. So let us write down what is the definition of a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression in which every term has a positive power of a variable. Okay, so you need to remember that polynomial, it can also contain a constant term. Okay, so this is a definition of a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression in which every term, each and every term has to have a positive power of a variable, and it can also contain a constant term. Okay, now next we have learned what is a degree of a polynomial. So degree, it is the highest power of the variable involved. Yes, so write down degree, the highest power of variable present in the expression. So it is the highest power of the variable. Okay, so this is what a degree is. And the third thing we will learn is what is the value of an expression. Okay, so remember children, the variable can take different values in different situations. Okay, suppose I have an expression, say x plus 2 equal to 3, then from here you can get x equal to this 2, when taken that side becomes minus 2, so x will be equal to 1. Yes, now if you see in this situation x plus 3 equals to 2, then x equal to 2 minus 3, this plus 3 taken that side becomes minus 3, so x will be minus 1. So you can see here that in different situation, x, the variable is taking different values. Here the value of x is 1 and here the value of x is minus 1. So the value of the variable depends on the expression given. Okay, so we will learn what is the value of an expression. Okay, so the value which an expression takes when we put the value of the variable. The value which an expression takes when we put the value variable is called value of an expression. It's quite simple. The word itself says the value of an expression. So when we put the value of the variable, then the expression will take a certain value. So that is called the value of an expression. Suppose I have an equation 3x squared plus 2x minus 7, and I ask you to find the value of this expression when x equal to minus 1. Then your work is just to substitute the value of x in this expression. Okay, so this is 3, x is minus 1 squared plus 2, this is minus 1 minus 7. So this is minus 1 squared, that will be 1. Plus minus 2, and this minus 7. So this is 3 minus 2 minus 7. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 7 is minus 6. So the value of this expression when x equal to minus 1 is minus 6. So this is how we find the value of an expression. Okay, so we have learned what is a polynomial, what is the degree of a polynomial, and how to find the value of an expression. Okay, thank you.